Whether you're working on a major highways project or a small residential scheme, understanding traffic management is vital for quantity surveyors. Good knowledge of common terms will help you communicate clearly with contractors, planners, and local authorities, and make sure your cost estimates and contract documents are robust. Here are 15 essential traffic management terms that every QS should have in their toolkit. Number 1, Traffic Management Plan, or TMP. A detailed plan showing how traffic, including pedestrians and cyclists, will be managed around a construction site or roadwork area. It includes diversions, signage, barriers, and working hours. Number 2, Temporary Traffic Regulation Order, or TTRO. A legal order that allows temporary changes to the highway, such as road closures, speed restrictions, or suspension of parking during works. Number 3, Stop and Go boards. These are manual or automatic boards used to control traffic flow through single lane works, an alternative to portable traffic lights for short duration works. Number 4, Contraflow. This is a system where traffic flows in the opposite direction to normal, typically used to keep traffic moving while one carriageway is completely closed. Number 5, Lane closure. Closing one or more lanes of a road to allow works to proceed safely. QSs need to be aware of this, as there's usually penalties for extended durations. Number 6, Diversion Route. An alternative route provided for road users when the normal route is closed. Clear signage is required, and diversions can affect traffic flow and project costs. Number 7, Portable Variable Message Sign, or Portable VMS. These are electronic signboards used to provide real-time information to drivers about closures, delays, or diversion routes. Number 8, an Impact Protection Vehicle, or an IPV. This is a specialist vehicle fitted with a rear-mounted crash cushion to shield workers and equipment during mobile or short-duration works on high-speed roads. It absorbs the force of any accidental impact from approaching traffic, protecting crews carrying out tasks like line marking or inspections. Number 9, Advanced Warning Signage. These are signs placed ahead of the works to inform road users about upcoming restrictions, closures, or diversions. Number 10, Overnight Possession. This is a complete closure of a road or railway at night to carry out works that cannot be done safely with traffic passing. This often comes with strict timing and financial penalties if overrun. Number 11, Traffic Management Operative, or a TMO. This is a trained worker responsible for setting out, maintaining, and removing traffic management equipment safely. Number 12, Traffic Safety and Control Officer, or a TSCO. This is a supervisor who oversees the setup and ongoing safety of traffic management arrangements, ensuring compliance with legal and safety standards. Number 13, Rolling Roadblock. This is a temporary block of traffic flow for a short duration, usually to allow works that cannot be done safely with vehicles passing. Number 14, an Airlock System. This is a controlled entry arrangement using gates or barriers that allow only one vehicle or person through at a time, maintaining site security and separation from public traffic. This is commonly used on constrained urban sites or secure works to prevent unauthorized access. And number 15, Chapter 8. This refers to the part of the UK's Traffic Signs Manual that gives detailed guidance on signing and safety measures for temporary situations on roads. So, next time you're pricing a highway scheme or reviewing method statements, keep these traffic management terms in mind. A clear grasp will help you spot missing cost, negotiate variations, and support safe, compliant project delivery. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.